In today's digital age, data is like the king of the internet. It is what powers so many of the apps and software we use every day. But behind the scene, there is a special set of tools that makes sure all the data is handled smoothly. They are called data structures and algorithms, or DSA for short. Think of DSA as the secret sauce that makes everything work behind the scene. It is like the foundation of a skyscraper. Without it, everything would collapse. DSA helps organize and manage data in a way that is efficient and effective. For those looking to make their mark in the tech world, mastering DSA is like unlocking a superpower. It gives you the ability to create and manage all sorts of cool apps and software. And as our world becomes more and more reliant on data, knowing DSA becomes even more valuable. So if you want to succeed in the fast-paced world of technology, DSA is the key ingredient you can't afford to ignore. So we are here to help. Through this video, I will providing you with a complete roadmap for learning data structures and algorithm for everyone keen to learn DSA from scratch. So buckle up, because your journey to becoming a DSA expert starts here.
Tech sector shed more than 386,000 jobs in 2022 and the first half of 2023.
High-profile companies that have recently announced layoffs.
Google, Amazon, and Meta sent emails telling them they no longer have their jobs.
The company says it will cut more than 180 jobs.
Here is how we will break it down into 5 easy to follow parts. Here is the number 1. Choose your programming language. First thing first, you have to pick a programming language to start with, whether it is Python, Java, C++ or another language. Mastering one will give you a solid foundation for learning DSA. Point number 2, understand time and space complexities. Time and space complexities might sound fancy, but they are actually quite simple. They are just ways to measure how efficient your algorithms are. Learning about these complexities will help you write code that runs faster and uses less memory. Point number 3, grasp the basics of data structures and algorithms. Now it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of DSA. You will learn about all the different types of data structures like arrays, linked lists, stack, queue, trees, and graphs. Plus, you will dive into various algorithms like sorting, searching, and traversing. But the points to be noted here that don't learn these concepts randomly, especially if you are a beginner. Doing so may create more confusion down the line. To avoid this, you should follow a structured approach. Start with arrays, then move on to the string, linked list, and so on. So here is a recommended flow to guide you through the DSA learning journey. Number 1 is array, then string, linked list, then algorithms like searching algorithm, sorting algorithm, then divide and conquer algorithm, stack, queue, tree data structure, graph data structure, greedy methodology, recursion, backtracking algorithm, dynamic programming. By following this structured flow, you will build a solid foundation in DSA and avoid unnecessary confusion along the way. Number 4, practice, practice, practice. They say practice makes perfect, and that is especially true when it comes to DSA. The more you practice writing code and solving problems, the better you will get. So don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves and dive into some challenging problems. Number 5, compete and excel. Finally, to truly master DSA, you will want to put your skills to the test. Compete in coding contests, solve real-world problems, and collaborate with others in the tech community. The more you immerse yourself in the world of DSA, the more confident and capable you will become. So there you have it, the roadmap to becoming a DSA pro from scratch. It may seem like a daunting journey, but remember, every step you take brings you one step closer to mastery. Also, throughout your DSA learning journey, remember to stay consistent. Set aside dedicated time each day to study and practice, and don't be discouraged by challenges. Consistency is key to mastering DSA. Now coming to the conclusion part. Mastering data structure algorithm is a rewarding journey that opens doors to countless opportunity in the world of technology. By following this roadmap and staying consistent in your efforts, you will soon become a proficient DSA practitioner. Happy coding, and thanks for watching. And if you are still struggling to find the best resources for learning DSA, don't worry. Click on the left to watch our comprehensive video guide where we will provide you with everything you need to kickstart your DSA learning journey. I will meet you there.